Hi, I'm Darren and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I am bringing you a collab that Marna and Tina over at Tina's Reborn and More do every year. They've done it, I think, for at least 4 years now. And this is a collab they do here at Christmas time with a green-haired Blythe. They customize them, they dress them in a theme, and they always turn out so cute. And this year they are doing Christmas carolers with their green-haired Blythe. Now Marna has done a face up here. She's given it kind of a rougey red face because it's cold outside. It's kind of got a reddish nose, tip of her nose. So this outfit here is kind of a collection of patterns that Marna's used. The capelet is a pattern from a free Blythe pattern online called Here We Come A-Caroling. And Marna increased it to 115%, and she added a skirt to make it a Victorious style coat. And I'll show you here. After she'd already created this cute little booklet out of cloth and pleather, I told her I could have printed her a book with some actual real wording, but it's still very cute. So this capelet here and dress turned out really nice. I think it's really adorable here. The hat is a simplicity pattern for an 18-inch doll. She used ribbon rather than making ties that would have been too big for the Blythe. I printed her the shoes and created her a Christmas carol stand. She has all of her dolls, I think she has all of her green dolls still in their original dresses for the collabs. So let me show you now the close-ups of some of these pieces. So you can see here, her hat is just adorable. Really goes well with her big head. And here and back, she, of course, added some beads in all of this luscious hair. It's hard to find here. Christmas carol here with these wooden Christmas beads. Quite cute. And, of course, some pull tabs I printed for her. Let me show you her eyes. Marna put in some custom eyes. Here, of course, is her, I don't know, kind of a steel blue. And here you can see her eyelids. This pretty shade of pink that matches quite well with her hood. Here's some beautiful rainbow eyes. I really like those. They're quite pretty. And for the side eye in the other direction, here's some green eyes. And those are really pretty. A little Irish lass here. And so here are her front-facing eyes. There's some beautiful blue with a little ring of, looks like green. And here's the back of her dress here, or the capelet and dress, the Victorian dress. I'm not sure what you'd call it, forgive me, but it took quite a bit of time just to get the hair kind of out of the way. This doll has incredible hair, so you can see here how much detail is in this coat. If you ever got to sit around and listen to Marna as she makes these creations, she is so hard on herself. She's very picky, very tough on her, and I always tell her she does beautiful work, and if you agree, please leave it in the comments. Thank you so much, Tina, for doing this collab with Marna. She looks forward to this every year. She's already sweating the possibility that you guys might not be able to find green-haired Blythes next year at a reasonable price. Hopefully that will turn out okay, and you guys can do another one next year because she is already looking forward to it, whatever the theme may be. Thank you so much for watching. Please go over to Tina at Tina's Reborns and see what she's done. You can be sure that it's just going to be just as lovely. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And have a Merry, Merry Christmas.
We